Ciao and welcome to the Proficiency Consultant's Italian language series. This is the second video of my series all about Italian verbs. Today, we'll focus on one of the most important and commonly used verbs, essere, which means to be. I'll guide you through its conjugation, pronunciation, and practical examples to help you use it confidently. Let's get started. Let's begin with the conjugation of essere in the present tense. Repeat after me to practice the pronunciation. Io sono. Tu sei. Lui è. Lei è. Noi siamo. Voi siete. Loro sono. Notice that essere is an irregular verb, so it doesn't follow the typical patterns of ere verbs. But don't worry, practice makes perfect. Now, let's see how to use essere in everyday sentences. Repeat after me to practice. Io sono felice. Tu sei stanco? Lei è una studentessa. Noi siamo amici. Voi siete pronti? Loro sono italiani. As you can see, the verb essere is used in many common situations. To practice, try using essere in a sentence about yourself. For example, io sono uno studente. Feel free to share your sentence in the comments below. And that's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to conjugate and use essere in everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and visit my blog for more Italian language tips. Stay tuned for the next video about the Italian verb series. Ciao, a presto!